Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp boil sauce. First, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Next, add 1/4 cup of freshly minced garlic to the melted butter. Stir this mixture gently for about 1 minute until the garlic becomes fragrant. This initial step builds the foundational flavor for our delicious sauce, ensuring a rich and aromatic base for your shrimp boil. Now, let's build on that aromatic base. Carefully stir in 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon each of onion powder and paprika. Mix these spices thoroughly into the butter and garlic mixture. Allow the sauce to simmer gently for about 3 to 5 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. This step is crucial for developing the sauce's signature depth and warmth. To enhance the sauce's depth and add a delightful tang, we'll introduce some liquids. Pour in 1/4 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Stir everything together until well combined. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer for another 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully integrate. This creates a balanced and vibrant sauce that perfectly complements your shrimp. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings to your liking, adding a pinch more salt or black pepper if desired. The sauce should be warm and ready to serve. Pour this rich, flavorful sauce generously over your freshly boiled shrimp, corn, and potatoes. This homemade sauce elevates your shrimp boil to an unforgettable culinary experience, making every bite truly delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.